See how everybody pulled up. I got wet feet. I knew I shouldn't have worn socks down here. Now that's what I'm talking about, a yoga mat, Stuart.
Not to be forward. I just want to see friends.
Here she is. Good morning, sun.
What is love? I don't understand. Wake me up, yeah. Reaching for your hand. Never felt something like this. Never been so close. Nothing will ever be, yeah, like it was before. No, no. She's my runaway girl. Made me chase her halfway around the world. For her it's just a game and I have to play. Yeah, I know she's winning either way. Can't let you get away with, 'cause deep inside I know you are the one. Yeah, I love you till eternity. Girl, you know that I don't want no other. She's my runaway. She's my runaway girl. She's my runaway. She's my runaway girl. What is love? What is love? I don't understand. Wake me up, yeah. Reaching for your hand. Never felt something like this. Never been so close. Nothing will ever be like it was before. She's my runaway girl. Made me chase her halfway around the world, yeah. For her it's just a game and I have to play.
shark as well? Were you? Maybe, just a little bit. Well, that backdrop's kind of priceless, isn't it? Have a look at that. Shoot Harbour. Pretty nice. Okay, I'm travelling south now. I've travelled through Mackay and Serena, to a little town called Serena, and there's this stop place I've always wanted to stop. It's called Clairview. This is at low tide. So here's the beacons out of the water at low tide. That's a long way out. The tide goes out, obviously. Oh, geez, it'd have to be bloody 4 o'clock. But yeah, awesome. I'm so glad I stopped. Obviously, there's a big caravan park here, so a lot of people obviously pull up. I don't know how they go fishing or crabbing, but maybe you can only go over a few hours of the high tide-ish time. So, but anyway, worth a little bit of footage of it. Cheers. Isn't that pretty? Tannum Sands. All the ships off Gladstone and the Boyne River. Beautiful. There's all the ships out there off Gladstone waiting to come in. They're everywhere. Crocodiles. Maybe no kayaking around here. This is Lily and I at the jumping fish bar on the inside, and Lily reckons that she should subscribe me.